Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the middle spray arm water supply tube in a Maytag dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new middle spray arm water supply tube. This middle spray arm water supply tube is mounted at the bottom of the upper dish rack. Its function is to connect the middle spray arm to the water feed tube. It also holds the middle spray arm in place. This part plays a critical role in enabling even distribution of water during the dishwashing process. If your dishes at the upper rack are not coming out clean, check the middle spray arm water supply tube for cracks and clogs and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the dishwasher door. Right, so now we're going to pull out the upper rack. Just slide it out all the way. Make sure that you're not applying any weight of yours on the top because you can easily bend the hinges. All right, so this spray arm, wash arm, is held in place by this nut, locking nut. So if you grab it here and turn it clockwise looking from the top, you will unlock the arm. Comes off easily. So now we need to remove this middle spray arm water supply tube. There's our locking tabs here. That's there and right there and right there. I'm going to use my thumbs and I'm going to press it in from the outside. And I'm going to lift up on this side, and then we need to push on these hooks inside. And I'm going to remove one side there. I'm going to press it down. Goes down, and then I'm going to take this one off by again removing this, pressing that tab, pressing the locking tabs. In, and the whole structure comes out. This is the old middle spray arm water supply tube next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now going to install this new water supply tube. I'm going to hang first one side, place that little hooks on the wire, press it down. I'm going to bring up the opposite side and push it in. And lock the hooks on the wire. Alright, to install the spray arm, we're going to bring it in and we're going to align this nut. I'm going to push it up. You need to turn it slightly and it will get into the notches, and then turn it. If you look again, if you look from the top counterclockwise, and it will lock. Next I'm going to push in the upper rack. And now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.